Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go to the forum where you can read and ask questions from other users of the application, meaning that you can interact with other people on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, type in your password, tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and now click on this chat box icon at the top of the screen. Here you can find the period calendar forum. There are many main sections. So if you are interested in any of these, tap on the relevant one. You will be able to find subcategories. So these are questions and topics. So tap on the relevant one, and here you will be able to find an entry of a user. If you want to post a reply, tap on post a reply. But first you need to log in order to reply to topics within this forum. But if you are just interested in, browsing through the answers, then you can just simply tap on it and see the reply of other users of the application as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.